Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you get free cashback, and among that I will show you some credit card tips and tricks. So first of all, I will show you what this card is all about, what's its benefits, and then I will show you how much cashback I got throughout my year, and then lastly I'll show you how do I get the free cashbacks. So let's jump right into it. So today I'll be talking about this Amazon Prime credit card. About this Amazon Prime credit card, um, they have two cards. One is for the non-Prime members and one is for the Amazon Prime members. So I myself have the Amazon Prime membership. So here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 5% cashback on whatever you spend on Amazon.com and Whole Foods. 2% cashback on restaurant, gas station, and drugstores, and then 1% on everything else. So what's the difference between member and non-members? The non-Prime members only get 3% cashback on the Amazon.com. And they also have some amazing benefits. They have no foreign transaction fees, lost luggage reimbursement, and all the other ones are so good. They have the extended warranty protection. So everything you buy on Amazon is automatically extended warranty, so you don't have to worry about it. And also purchase protection. Anything you buy, if you lose it or stolen, they will give it back the money to you, up to $50,000. So that's the credit card. And let me show you how much cashback I got throughout the year. So for currently, I have almost $47 in my account. And then for the whole year, I have almost $170 for cashback. Here's the breakdown. They have 5% cashback on Amazon. I got $65 for that. And then 2% restaurant, gas station, and 1% everything else. So let me tell you what you've been waiting for. How do you get the free cashback on this card? So something I have discovered myself is that in my household, my family, or among my friends, I am the person with the Amazon Prime membership, because they have increased it throughout the years for the prices, so not many people is gonna get them. And I have something to offer my friends and family, because throughout Black Fridays, Christmas, New Year's, people are gonna want to shop. And the thing with Amazon, if you don't have the Amazon Prime membership, either you have to pay for expensive shipping fees, or it will take really long for the item to come. So I can offer my friends or family and say, hey, I have this Prime membership card, so I can order something and get them within a day or two. It's one day free shipping. So they are gonna want to order through me. So I can offer them, I can buy them what they want and they just pay me back. And that way I get all the free cashbacks for their items. So let's say Dad wants a new laptop and it costs $500. $500 times 5%, that's $25 free cashback that you're gonna get. And it doesn't just end there. Okay, Dad got his laptop, and how about your coworker? Your coworker wants a new TV set. So it costs her around $400. $400 times 5%, you get $20 free. And at the previous $25, you get $45 for free. I've been doing this for this Black Friday, And my friends, they were buying stuff online and telling me to order it for them. They were paying me back. And this is how much I got for the whole Black Friday sales. Got 46, almost $47 for free just for helping out my friends. So my Prime membership is paying itself off with this credit card, of course. And this credit card does not have any annual fees. So that's what's good about it. Okay, and then let me show you. So when you sign up for this card, Amazon say that you instantly, if you were approved, you instantly get $100 gift card for Amazon gift card. That is great, but I'm not sure what is the current bonus now. Some people said they got $80 to $50, so you're gonna have to check on that when you apply for this card. And please note that I do not get any incentives or any referral fees when you sign up for this card. I'm just here to tell you about the free cashback method that I found for myself. And thank you for this website, Doctor of Credit. Um, so we know that the lowest approval score is 640. So you need at least 640 credit score to get this card. I have a 780 credit score. I got approved instantly and I got around 6,500 credit limits. Yeah, so overall this card is great. And that's it, guys. Please comment, tell me what you think about this, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.